So first I have to create a group.
Channabaswana sir, just inform us once the students joins.
In this model, I have too much poly counts. So, but I need this model with details, so I just leave it this error as it is. So suppose if anyone facing issue to publish through this publish to AVR from here. So what I will do is instead of uploading through this publish to AVR button, I will just export this model. Go to export and save. Give it to the name and just export. Now coming to the platform. I have to switch my institute. Just click on this create lesson. This is 360 lesson. If you want to upload this image, then you can click on this. But here we are try to upload 3D model, so I am clicking on 3D lesson.
Rajnish.
Yeah.
We'll just ask someone to follow you.
Yeah, it's better if someone follow me.
Okay, students who are there in front of the PC, the college PC. This is Sagar here. Jayanand, Nikhil, Nandan. Anybody are there in front of the college PC? I think still the students are still joining. Let's wait for like 2 more minutes. Rajnish.
Okay.
Sorry?
I think Nikhil say something.
Yeah,
Nikhil.
Is there in front of college PC? Okay, let's wait for 2 more minutes.
Okay, sir.
Hello. Channabaswana sir, can you please assign someone to follow Rajnish? If any of the student is in front of the PC, college PC, can you please assign someone to follow Rajnish? Whatever he's doing, let students follow it. Yeah, please assign someone so that they can speak.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, I'm Pankaj. I'm just following you.
Good. Pankaj, you should mute yourself because there is a lot of from your end. So we'll do one thing. You just follow whatever
Pankaj, can you mute your mic? Yeah.
Yeah. Pankaj, you just follow whatever Rajnish is doing and just drop a message in chat box if you couldn't able to follow it. Okay. Just drop a message because you people are in the same room, right? So we're getting a bit disturbance from your side. So you just drop a message. No need to talk. That is fine. Okay. Now you are ready, right? Now we are ready. Like we'll just.
Pankaj, why don't you share your screen also? Oh, some student has uploaded their work. Nice.
Yeah. So many students have uploaded, but still few students are not able to do it. Let us resolve the issue today.
Yeah. Let's see.
Yeah.
Connecting to mobile. Okay, I am not able to say anything. Just don't show this. Just
you are connected through mobile.
Pankaj, I think Nikhil. Nikhil, I can see your screen, but it's not clear. First, you have to close this window. We are not going to publish to AVR Eon Raptor. Sorry. That's why I'm saying anyone can share their screen. Yeah, good. Open your 3ds Max. Yeah. Select the object. Go to the file on top left. Yeah, click on export. No, export only. Yeah. Save in their respective folder. Or just export on desktop. Okay. Click OK. Now go to that folder where you export this model. Okay. And where the texture, you have to, in the same folder, you have to paste texture as well. Just select all these 3 and make a zip file. And folder name should be as same as the object name. Okay, just make a zip file. No, you can make a whole folder. Add to archive. Add to archive. No, just click on add to archive. And you have to select zip, not .rar. Now open our platform, EonXR platform.
training session ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Yeah, go to the create lesson.
ಏನು
Okay, yeah, okay, good. Lesson. Import.
ನಾನು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಈಗ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಮಾಡು.
Sagar, can you mute yourself?
Oh, sorry man, sorry.
Okay. Thank you. Just drag and drop your model here. Yeah, from desktop. Just drag and drop here. And you can see below down there is a category button option. Yeah, select category. Thing happen. Just see my screen, what I do. Or what, you can just click on that. How's that? You can see it will come like this. Yeah, good. If you want to change the file name, you can, change the category. You can, select the category, select anyone, like I have choose Click on next. It will take some time.
Pankaj,
Yes, sir. Pankaj?
are you following it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, is it the same thing even you are seeing in your screen?
Now you can see in my screen the model has been uploaded on XR platform. Pankaj, what about your model? It's been uploaded or it's uploading?
No, I'm doing, sir.
I think
I'm
he has
going
also
to I'm going to stop my screen. Yeah, Pankaj, show me your. No, show me. Show me your model. It's uploaded or it's been.
No, not this one, Pankaj.
No,
Show me
platform.
that.
Go to the platform. Actually, just again click on create lesson. Hmm, 3D import. Can you click on this blank screen? Clickable or not? I think this is not working. Sagar.
But like I saw that he could able to do it, right? Like before you stop presenting, I saw that he
Yeah.
could able to do it.
No, that was my screen.
Oh.
Yeah. I think Can you press the button, Pankaj? Go to the control panel. Go to the accounts. Yeah, click on account. Local account.
So the file got uploaded.
Go back. Go back.
Sir.
Yeah, Pankaj, go back. Just click on update and security. Click on left side, window security. No, window security. Can you account protection? Just click on virus and threat protection. Just click on manage setting. Go down, scroll down. Protection. Go up and can you switch off that real-time protection? And this real-time protection also. Real-time protection also you have to, yeah. Now just minimize this window and can you try again? Try to upload. Yeah. Just refresh this page. Scroll up. Could you scroll up this page? I'm not able to see anything.
Pankaj, scroll up. Use the mouse and scroll up.
Pankaj, think. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
No, still. Now can you try to publish from 3ds Max? I think Sagar, the cloud conversion has been blocked from the administrator side in PC because he is working on a local account.
Jayanand. What? It's not audible properly. What?
So the file get uploaded, but you can't select the category.
In your PC, the file has uploaded.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir, I will say.
You are using the college PC only, right?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay. Oh, Rajnish, here it's accepted, man. See?
But he is not able to select category. Can you please click on next button?
Yes, go to next. Please select the category. Okay.
Okay, not selected. Your account, can you open the control panel? This is your also is, I think, a local account. No, go to the account. Just press window button and go to the control panel. No, type control panel. Yeah. Yeah, user account. Go to the, click on change account type. Administration. You can see Manju, he's also working on local account. This is protected. You need a permission from administration.
Means from admin account, he need a permission.
Yeah, from admin account in PC, not in our platform.
Yeah, not actually our platform, because if there was a problem, even the students who are using laptop, they also couldn't able to publish it. But it's a problem with their PC.
In their personal laptop, they are also not able to publish. They can publish.
Yeah, they can.
Some of them, sir.
Nikhil, some of them means like people who are also using their laptop. Some people upload it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, you guys follow the steps what Rajnish showed just now. So instead of directly using it through 3ds Max, just go to the Eon XR platform and click on the create lesson. Ask your friends who are using laptop, ask your friends to do these, because these steps will definitely work.
Yeah, couple of days ago, even yesterday, I was asking anyone facing any issue, but no one told me. You can follow these steps and in your laptop. And
yeah, in the laptop also, you guys follow these steps. And Jayanand, just do it once again in XR platform. Okay, come back. Let's try for the last time, and then we'll just speak to your IT. Just refresh it and create it again.
Now you can select the category.
Okay, select it.
Select anyone, like choose miscellaneous. Go to next.
Okay, wait for a few minutes.
Wait for completing this process. No, it's coming when internet is slow. Oh, it's uploaded.
It's
Just click on preview button. Yeah.
But Rajneesh, are textures missing here, or the file is?
This file is with texture or without texture?
with texture, sir.
With texture. Okay, just go to the Max. Open your Max, 3ds Max. But in this, I can't.
Yeah, there's no
Where is the texture?
But the good thing is he has uploaded the asset, right, Rajneesh?
Oh, he can upload.
Yeah.
You can see there is a black, black without thumbnail. The texture is missing. That's why it's not come. First, you have to reload texture here, then you can export. Or still, if you are facing this issue, what you can do is just close this window. Yeah. Select your texture path. Manju, I think some PC need permission from admin side. They have to enable cloud conversion and firewall.
Jayanand, just to inform your friends who are there in front of the PC right now, just ask them to do the same steps whatever you did. Okay.
Yeah, please try to upload so that we can solve this issue.
Yeah, because this issue it's been pending from past 2 days. So just and today in today's lesson, Priyesh has taught you guys about creating a lesson in the XR platform, right?
Yes, sir.
So you also create a lesson, and he has also given a project. Like he has given some what is it he has given the assignment? Medivator, right? Medivator, I think, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Guys, just try it on your own. Like try to do it in your own PCs in the lab. And
Sir, in assets we can't access that, sir.
which one?
Medivator, sir.
So Medivator you can access it, right? Okay. Now, okay, we will come to that. But now you guys know how to publish it, right? You guys that the problem which was there, it got resolved. So that thing is done now.
Yeah, just export again. So I will clearly clear. Why texture is not coming? Have you exported?
So just a minute, sir.
Yeah. No. You have export again and all these things paste in a folder and again make a zip file, drag and drop. File while exporting. You can replace the FBX inside board folder. Yeah, just click on FBX. Yeah. Now save it. Yes. Wait. Again export again. Yeah, click on. You can see there is a last button, embedded media. Embed media. Just check this box. Yeah. Okay. Now you don't need to create any zip file or any folder. Just drag and drop this FBX directly.
So this or this, sir.
No, FBX. Yeah. This is a .fbx format. We called
Refresh the page first.
First you have to refresh the page. You can see it's already taking an old file. Yeah, you can maximize the window. Everyone is trying?
Yes, sir.
No, you are trying, but what about the rest of the student?
Guys, drop a message in chat box.
Trying,
Please
sir.
write out.
Okay.
Trying, sir.
Okay. Just preview your model. Just click on preview. and check it is fine or not. Yeah,
Cool.
nice.
Cool. Good work, man, Jayanand. And you like, so the problem is solved now, and you're telling that the to see the mediator, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, you just stop sharing your screen and just do inform your students once, like your friends, whether they are trying it or not, just once.
They are trying, sir. It's getting uploaded.
Oh, cool.
Okay. Jaya, can you one more thing do it for me? Can you just open control panel? I want to check your settings. Yeah. Wait. The secure system and security. Yeah. Go to the system and security on top left. Check firewall system. Administration tool. Click on Windows Defender Firewall. You can see, Manju, it's all things are turned off. That's why he is able to upload the asset. Sagar?
Yeah, Rajnish.
Yeah,
Yes.
you can see in previous one PC they enable all the things. That's why he is not able to upload.
Okay. You also please ask students to do it, Jayanand, this one, the firewall.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Jaya. If anyone has any issue, he can share his screen.
Yeah.
So that I can see and I'll guide him.
Right.
And for Medivator, you have to create a model from scratch or you have to choose model from platform. What he tell you guys?
Platform.
I am not able to hear you, Jaya.
So to choose the model from platform.
Okay, what you can do is just open your platform screen. I'll guide you what you have to do. All of the students, please see it how you have to do, how you have to create a lesson. Just click. Go to the 3D lesson. No, 3D lesson. Yeah. Click on browse, import. If model is in your PC, you have to click on import. If you want to choose your model from website, you have to browse. Just go on top left, top right. There is a search button. You have to type there Medivator. MEDI. Right. Click on that. So this is the model. Just click on that. So you can choose your category which you want and just click build your lesson. So build your lesson, then you can create your own lesson. You don't need to download this asset and upload it again. Okay, guys?
Okay, sir.
Me. Thank you, Jay. You can stop sharing.
Yeah, students, like, please upload all the assets like what you have. So try to like finish it. Rajnish, one thing, like they have to do this from scratch or how is it?
Which thing? Medivator.
Yeah, Medivator.
No, I told him, all of them, they just need to browse this model from our platform.
Okay.
So they can just create a lesson. They don't need to create from scratch.
Create from scratch. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. Guys, like two more things. Yeah, as we mentioned when we started the program, there are two rewarding which we are giving. Okay, one is for the power user award, who uses our platform, and the other one is the best project award. Like the best project means it all includes which are the models you have shared. It includes all those things, and our team will like give which is the best one, and based on that we'll be rewarding the guys. Okay, one. So now I can only see, just a minute, I'll just open the report. So whoever have used the platform, I'll just open the report. 2 minutes. Okay, Jayanand has used it for 20 times. Trilok Mech has used it for 17 times. Sonal P 17, Harshita Prakash 15 times, Bhavit 15 times, Mithun, Nandan, Sindhushri, Sharad Chandra 11, Sindhushri 11, Nandan 11. So the thing is, even this includes, while rewarding you the best, the power user of platform award, even this includes the count, whatever I am seeing now. That means you have used, for example, here I can take Ananya TR has used it for 11 times. And today 13th November, right? Yeah, today also she has used, but the count is 11. Now here Jayanand is standing first in the list. So this also will be included while rewarding the power user of the platform. So do one thing, just like how much ever the models or content whichever you have created, try to upload it as much as possible by today. And even if you guys have access to your laptop in the home, try to do it. Okay. And I hope everybody have installed the application in the mobile phone also, right? You have installed it on the mobile phone as well, I think. So even sometimes like you have the model in the mobile phone. And the thing is, like, we will be giving you complete 1 week time. That means next Friday to do this project, whichever PA is given. So once, actually the Friday will be the last day. Next Friday will be the last day, and you have to upload it to the platform by Friday. Okay. And this awarding, it will be done in the coming week. Maybe I will schedule date and time, and the link will be shared. You can just join through your mobile phones only. Okay, fine. So everybody understood, right? Like, just try to increase the platform usage and try to upload the contents, whatever is there, like whatever you have created. So hope the problems and everything is solved. And now it is your turn. You guys have to make it, and you guys have to use it the best as much as possible. Okay. And 3:30 again, Channabaswana sir, is it necessary that we have to join at 3:30 again? Anyone please ask Channabaswana sir, and let us know. Please repeat.
Yes, sir, I will ask. Go out, sir, I will ask.
Nikhil, have you tried the setup? Have you tried use this way to upload your asset?
Yes, sir, I tried, sir. It's get uploaded, sir.
Okay, good.
Uploaded, sir.
Oh, good, nice. If anyone is still facing this issue, so what he need to just switch off Windows firewall setting and real-time protection of virus and threats. That's it. Then you can upload it.
Yeah. Jayanand, you also please help your friends who are there in the campus. And one more thing I just wanted to tell you guys, just see here. So whatever, like, people, you guys, how many times you are logged in. I'll be getting the list, the number of times logged in and all these things, and when is the last login, all this. So you guys will be having time till Friday. Okay, next Friday. Today is Friday, right? Yeah, next Friday. So one complete week you guys will be having. I know, like, we have a festival coming up for next 3 days. So just enjoy your festival and do it. After that, do the project after the festival, like however convenient for you, and try to increase this numbers as well, whatever you, because this is also one aspect which includes for the awarding, right? So Shenmukh Saitej Gishkanta. So people have used it for less time. Shenmukh Saitej, is he on leave? Like, is he coming to the college? Jayanand
No, sir, he's on home, sir.
is not coming to the college.
No, he's not. No, sir, he's in home, sir.
Okay, just do inform your friends, and the problem is also solved. Now try to upload as many contents as possible. So even there are like many contents here, and there are many categories here. You guys can go through it, and everybody have downloaded it on mobile phones, right?
Yes.
Have you guys tried the AR version of it? The content whichever you guys have created, have you guys tried the AR version of it? Tried?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, then fine. Like, if you know, then that would be really good. So once you launch the content in the mobile phone, so you will have a option, like 2 options, VR and AR mode. So if you click on the AR mode, your content will be overlaid on your real environment. So hope you know this. Hope everybody have tried it. Sorry. Hope everybody
Yes,
have
sir.
tried it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, then. Okay, we are done then. And I'm telling you again and again, the 2 awards for best project and the best power user of the platform. Try to increase the logins and try to make use of it. And we'll connect back after 3:30. Okay. And I couldn't able to receive like some of your calls. Sorry for that. And like today I'll be available for the whole day. Like whatever you want from me, you can directly call me. So I'll try to solve your problems. Thank you everybody. Thanks, Rajnish.
No, thank you all.